Say welcome to Ebenhard, Betch.
Thank you. And you have the time that can you make a small presentation from the new Systemet and the bandsågning machines? Thank you.
Okay, it will be exciting.
Okay. Thank you for coming and show a little bit my presentation. What I want presentation here, it's KPC. KPC is a special design for bandsågning machine for my company. And now I want a little translate what is the idea from KPC for my company. And later, when we have time, we can go to the machine and can show a little bit what is KPC real. First, what is KPC? What he means? He means smoothness, performance, and operating time. So now we came to the different point, the smoothness. A big problem in all the bandsawing machines is the vibration when you work in stainless steel or when you work very hard in the steel, so you have mostly vibrations on the blade. What he means, you have noise on the blades. And from this point we have in the design department work a long time to find a solution what we can do it better than on the old systems and all the machines. And we have complete new designed the band guides inside. This is a very important key to reduce the noise on the blade. And when you have no noise on the blade, you have no vibration on the machine, it's very important for a long lifetime for the blade and for high performance. And this, inside these band guides, is now a patent. This patent is about now a year old, so it's safe for my company. What is the next point on the machine to reduce the vibration? We have here special damper system on the band, after the band wheel, when the band go back to the driven motor side. What he means, we have here drum guides. These drum guides went off both sides from the machine, and he reduced the noise level very well on the machine. That we have make a lot of tests in my test department. That what you show now is make with this quality, steel 52, dimension 500mm round. We work in the test on this machine with nearly 70 meters per minute. We have a downfeed from 20mm per minute, and we have a cutting time for this test with 25 minutes. The result you see here when we work out of trim guides. This is a section from 1 minute, and you see all the vibration, the red areas here. When we go of a section from 1 second, you see here the deflection from the vibration. This is when we work out of the drum guides. The same now with drum guides. You see here 1 second, merely one line. What he means, we have no vibration on the blade or in the machine. And this is a very important key. You reduce the noise level on the machines, and you go to a higher performance in the machine. This is now with drum guides. The next is performance. When you have no noise on the vibration on the blade, so you damage not the teeth in the front side. What he means, you have a longer lifetime on the blade. And the lifetime and the performance, the cutting time, we can reduce with this KPC system between 20 and 50%. The question is, what is the quality from your material where you work in the moment on the machine? We have a lot of tests made at home in my company. So here different results from tests. The first here in the front side, it's the material number here. This is a typical steel for you make gears. This is stainless steel. This is now different types of blades. This is a standard bimetal blade. with a standard machine for us, the same test with a KPC machine. You see, we can go much faster with a KPC machine. The same, here's a carbide plate, here's the standard solution, then we do it on all the machines, and here's the KPC version. So you see that it's the performance, it's in the area from the carbide plate much higher than in the bimetal plate. What he means, the system KPC is a perfect system when you want work with the carbide plate. When you have a lot of work on the machine, not when you have only work for a couple of hours. So it's KPC, I think, not interested for a company. The second is operating time. What he means, lifetime from the blades. So all the tests where we have done in the company, we find that we can have more blade lifetime between 15 and 30%. That's the question is, what is the quality from the material? What is the blade? Is a bimetal blade? Is a carbide blade? Let's see here, this is the same with a list. Here you have the blade life on the standard blade. In some qualities you see it, it's not more. In different qualities it's here the same. You see here is much more, here's much more, here's perfect, much more. So you see the lifetime is a little bit the question what is for the material. Our norm is you have more lifetime on the blade than with a standard machine. What is your profit when you work with a machine with KPC? First, you reduce the cutting costs. The second, you reduce the machine investment because you need not one machine or two machines more. Maybe you can do the job with one machine. The second is reduction from the working area, because when you have not 3 or 4 machines, so you have not so much area to work with a machine. The second is reduction from the cutting costs. Now I have make the basics for my calculation, what came later. It's following. This is a price for a standard machine Kasto in the normal version. This is a price for a machine in KPC version. Sorry, this is only in euro, because my calculation program we work not so well in the Swedish krona, so I think, okay, better I make it euro and it's a real calculation than it's a better calculation when it not work. So, what is the price for our blade? The price for a bimetal blade is 140 euro. The price for a carbide blade, it's nearly 350 euro. That's the question, how many teeth you have on the blade. So this blade where I work, and this quality is 300 millimeter round. This chrome steel, it's a blade with 1.42 teeth per inch. We work on the machine in my calculation in 2 shifts. I have working euro for the government for 5 years for the tax, and I have for the labor cost for 20%. 20 euro per hour, and it means we can work with 2 or 3 machines with one operator. That means, okay, 30% from this labor cost you go in my calculation inside. The second is the overhead cost is 100% in my calculation. That's in all the companies a different calculation, different percents. So now you see what is the result from my calculation. When I work with a basic machine, so the total cost per cut is nearly €5.30. When I work the same with a Kasto KPC version, it's only €2.83. What it means is a reduction from €2.5. And this is in the calculation. It's on this side. The price from the machine, the high price, the same from the blade, and here the low price from the machine and the low price from the blade. Are you saving the costs about nearly the half? The second is how many cuts you can do it per hour. And the standard machine you can do it 5 cuts per hour, and the KPC version with the carbide blade, you have more or less 19 cuts per hour. Here we work on this machine with 60 square centimeter per minute, and the KPC machine with the carbide blade we work with 250 square centimeter per minute. This is why he is so different in the cutting results. What he means, with a KPC machine you can cut it 14 cuts per hour more than with a basic machine. It's the same in the space. When you need only one machine, you have here space area from nearly 22 square meters. It means the machine including in-feed roller track at 7 meter long. So this is the total area where you need for the installation from the machine. When you need 4 machines, so you need nearly 90 square meters. What it means, you save 66 square meters where you never need for the production. Or you can do it in another production in your company. It's the same here. We need only one machine for the production. When we talked before, here we need 4 machines. So it is a reduction from 3 machines. That is, I think, saving a lot. And the next is, this is a very important point, I think, for in the company, for the employments, that you reduce the noise and the machine very well. So this is now my demonstration here. The next is, when you have time, please go with me to the machine. We can show direct on the machine what we talk in the moment here in theoretically. So you see much better what is the result for the machine in this time. So, and we can make the live demonstration in this hall and the stand from my partner company Alcel machine in the stand A2124. Thank you for your coming and see you again on the stand.
Okay, thank you for your presentation.
Thank you.
Då har vi några frågor. I have one question.
Yes, please.
Does your system put higher requirements on cutting fluid?
Yes. That's why do the system. This is complete designed not in the design department. This what you see it here, or what you see in the live presentation, is designed in the test department, because there's a lot of things inside the machine in the bend guides. You cannot design it this, because it's what the result from a long time of tests, and the result is now that what I mean here, or to what you can show on the machine. So when we have not here 2 different machines, when we have 2 machines from the same type from machine, so you see direct one machine have noise and a little vibration, and the second machine have absolute perfect. And this is why you cannot do this design and in a design department. It's only from the test department. It's okay, different things, now a patent. Yes, because there's the band guides. But the result that we came to this way, he was only over the test department real. Okay?
Okay, thank you.